2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Well, I thought I'd better come back and do a quick talk about the MotoRadds Mount, because last time I was raving on about mounts, then I went for the ride and we did a whole day of pretty full-on riding, and I've got to tell you, the MotoRadds Mount is absolutely awesome. If you have a look at the video, that last video that I created, the one going to Laura, the head shots, the shots from the helmet were brilliant. There was very little, well, there wasn't any movement. It just worked. It just worked perfectly. However, what I have done is I have changed to the small mount, which comes with it, by the way, so you don't have to go out and spend any more money. It actually comes with it. The small lever. Sorry about that, I'm sort of in the way. You can see the small little bracket here that comes with it. And the guys from MotoRadds actually themselves reached out to me and said possibly it would be a good idea for me to use this as opposed to that massive lever that I had on there before. They're also talking about if by using the small mount, it is going to bring the weight and the fulcrum weight down a little bit, which will help with regards to that movement. All said and done, obviously the cameras, GoPro cameras do have a certain amount of stability. That's, you know, what they're known for. It worked like a champion. It was really, really, really good. Okay, so I use my media mount. Slips in there. Beautiful. On this, I've got the microphone actually up inside the helmet, buried up in there. And then it comes out here, and I just use this little link, which is good because when I'm not using it, I like to have the plug, it's just nicely secured on here all the time. I don't have a loose wire. Yes, that means I do have one more connection, and I'm aware of that. Yes, whatever. So from here, beautiful, just mount him on. Yes, it's gender specific. That's not. That was a joke. Get in there. Right. And you might also know that I have changed to Allen key bolts because you can, I can't get my fingers in there properly with how the other ones were. And these ones you can do up, you know, the Allen key, you can do them up. I'll put the friendly plug in place. Don't know what happened to my voice then. Anyway, that's it. And that will give me a really good angle, believe it or not. That is a great angle for when I am wearing the helmet, for seeing everything that I want to see, for getting the shots that I want to get and how I want to get them. So really happy with that because your head's kind of on about that sort of an angle, and it just gave me a really good angle. I was really happy with it. So yeah, there we go. I can do those up a little bit tighter. What I love about the Allen key is I'm not stressing about those. I know they're tightened up. I know they're not going to fall down. MotoRadds, really impressed with that mount. This is the Flexi mount here. A few videos ago, what is it? It's video series 2, episode 12 is the video where I'm talking about the mounts. And I said I'd give it a good review, or a review, and see how it went. Very impressed, very happy with it. Lots of surface area for the 3M tape to stick down. Good prep, the preparation and everything that they give you. The alcohol cleaning solution first, because I've done heaps of rides with this helmet, so it was by no means clean. Then the prep solution, whatever the heck that is, some magical solution first, or second I should say, and then sticking it on with the 3M tape. Beautiful, beautiful work. And it really stuck well. Yeah, rock solid imagery. There's not too much movement. I'm happy. It's good. I'm going to stick with it. The only thing I was thinking about is when I'm sitting down and when I was coming home in the dirt, you can't see through the windscreen. It is it's too low. But that's not the mount's fault. That's just basically where my windscreen's really high and it was very filthy and dirty, and maybe I should have cleaned it. Oh. Whereas when I have the mount up here, and if I have the camera up the top here, that isn't a problem. You can see with the camera over the top. We'll work it out eventually one day. All right. Thank you very much. Take it easy. And yeah, the next ride will be the next ride. Cheers.